If you operate an Instagram account for business purposes, it's important to perform periodic audits to ensure it is working as efficiently as possible. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. In business, time is everything. So the last thing you want to do is devote time to something that doesn't directly relate to attaining your goals. Like any business activity, the time you spend on your Instagram account should have a purpose. In most cases, it's to further your marketing efforts. So you want to make sure your Instagram activity aligns with your marketing goals, which in turn align with your overall business goals. For this, you need to take a step back and look at your overall account, from color scheme to language used to the types of images shared, captions, or even how you interact with your audience. This all needs to be consistent. If your business has a branding guide, you need to make sure your Instagram follows those rules. Always use the correct logos and the exact shades of any company color. Next, examine your bio. Your bio is prime Instagram real estate. There's limited space, so word choice is important. You need to encapsulate everything your brand is about in just a few words, while maintaining the same tone and spirit you have throughout all your other social channels. This is also one of the few places on the Instagram platform that you can place a link. So be sure to utilize that feature and refer back to it in posts or stories with a simple link in bio phrase. Moving on, you'll want to examine your posts and captions. Every post should have an overarching connection, whether that's color scheme, great use of your logo, or a pattern in image choices. The most successful businesses on Instagram don't just post random things. Every post has a purpose and leads into achieving their marketing objectives. Your timeline or grid should tell a consistent story and follow the aesthetics you laid out in the beginning. Then, look into your hashtag usage. Are you consistently getting your hashtags on each post? You can use up to 30 hashtags on Instagram. Personally, I stick to about 5 or 10, but the sweet spot for many businesses seems to be about 20. Also, consider creating hashtags that are specific to your business and encouraging clients and partners to use them. Lastly, examine your interaction with the community. Make sure you have been responding appropriately to comments, engaging in conversations with your followers, and liking and sharing posts they share. Also, make sure you are engaging with influencers and others in your industry. The more you interact with them, the more favorably they'll view your brand. Well, that's all we have for today. We hope you'll set aside some time to audit your social accounts and find that they are aligned with your business goals. If you have any questions for us, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.